Hi, first of all, a very good evening to one and all who is here. Even before I start saying anything about the movie, I would like to say, Amit sir, we love you. and just saying that, I'm your fan, or just saying that you're an inspiration, I think all this is too less in front of you. All that I want to say is a very, 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 very big, huge thank you to you, sir, for all the great contribution that you did to this film industry, which has actually ultimately inspired all of us. And I'm so glad that I'm meeting you today. Actually, once, very unexpectedly, when we were recording Har Ghar Tiranga with Asha Bhosle ji, suddenly somebody walks into our Yashraj studios to meet Asha ji. And I was like recording, I turned like this and it was none other than Amir sir. I was like, oh, okay. So I was like, Ashai. So then she introduced me to him and it was, you won't remember that, sir, but it was like very quick. So I got so excited to meet you, sir. And today, you coming to support our film. Thank you so much, sir. Love you, sir. And please give a huge round of applause to the one and only Amir, sir. Sir, even while most of the films when we are working, sir, in terms of, you have been a great reference point to us in terms of so many things, sir. Not just acting, like expressions, acting, that is definitely there. But then beyond that, the kind of scripts that you choose, the kind of, aisa ek scene chahiye, or aisa gana chahiye, aisa lyrics chahiye, and most of them have been references from your films. And that's why I said a huge thank you to you, sir, on behalf of all the technicians, not just the fans. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. You mean a lot to us, sir. Either it is Lagan or Gajini or Three Idiots or I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it, sir. We all don't know how you do it. That's why you are Amir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And then coming to Thandel, thank you so much for the warm welcome that Bollywood and Mumbai has always been giving me, whichever movie, Pushpa 1 or 2, or even Tinka Chika or Daddy Mummy, whatever, 1 or 2 songs or an album. Every time you have been giving me great love. So I'm really, really grateful to all of you. And thanks to you, sir, you have always been giving me great intros, which make me feel that, oh my God, really? So thank you. So thanks to all of you. And I would like to thank the one and only Allu Arvind, sir. Allu Arvind uncle for me. So Geetha Arts for making such spectacular, fantabulous movies and also making Thandel. Uncle, thank you so much for giving us this movie because we all had a great journey. And thanks to our director, Chandu Mundeti, sir, for writing this amazing script. He'll talk to you more about this. It's based on a true incident. And the way he made the film is truly, truly heart-touching. And what made it heart-touching is, other than his writing and the making, the fantastic and fantabulous performances of my dear brother, Nag Chaitanya, who has, huge round of applause, Mumbai! He has transformed himself into, I don't know whether to say he has transformed. He was always a lover boy. He's still a lover boy. He would always be a lover boy. But he has also transformed into a beast. Like we say Beauty and the Beast, but I think he's both together in this movie. So, amazing performance, Chai. Amazing. And of course, what to say about Sai Pallavi, you all know her. So she did a marvelous job, and both of them together as a pair, and also on the screen, the chemistry is amazing, and they make us laugh, they make us feel the romance, and they also made us cry in the movie. So I would like to thank all my lyricists, my technicians, my musicians, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you'll all love this film, and like they say, Thandel leader, so you also please try to make this film the leader of collections. So Allu Arvind uncle will be happy.
He said it. Asli rock star hamare saath yahan pe. And abhi recently, there's this thing that happened. We don't usually get to see Allu Arvind sir dance. But abhi, Rockstar DSP ke gaane pe, we saw him shake a leg and that went viral. That actually broke the internet. Sir, wo moves, I'm sure we'll get to see something here also. You have to do it for us Mumbaikars, sir. But usse pehle, I would want you to sing a line or two, sir. Banta hai? Are?
Oh my God. Prepare with the lyrics as always. And before that, I also would like to thank Bunny Was, who is not present right here. Now he's roaming around for the mixing. Thank you, Vasu. You've been a great source of energy to all of us. Sir,